Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to add admin to Wix website. So let's go to Wix first. You have to click on this dashboard. You have to click on this three dot beside the edit side, and you have to click on add collaborators. Now you have to select admin, and you have to write here the email address of that admin or of that person. Now click on this, and you can add up to 10 emails. I'm putting the one. Now you have to click on, now if you want to see the admin permissions, you have to click on this view role permissions. You can see that view permissions is here. If you want to delete some access to that admin, like that admin will not access all of this, you can, if you want to limitation this one, you have to click on duplicate and edit. Now you can name here your role owner, this one, and then sorry, like this you can write here edit it. You can give the description here, and then if you want to delete some, you have to click on this, and you can click on select all, or you can edit site or select all. CMS, you can, if you don't want this admin to access your CMS, you have to click on select all, then you have to click on save. Okay, now click on send invite. You can click on skip here. Now you can see that invitation has been sent to that person. Joining to that account. You can see that wix.com has been started here. You are invited to collaborate on a Wix website. Click on accept invite, and you are accepting the invitation. Now after accept invitation, your uh, invitation will be accepted, and that person will be the admin of this website. Okay, so this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.